Hi YouTube world, it's Toya J, aka Coco from H-Town. I wanted to thank you guys for viewing my video, but I would just ask you to view more and comment. Please just comment. All I need is comments and viewing. That's all I need. Add me on MySpace. My URL is myspace.com/juicybooty_254. My Facebook is Shakoya Swisher Sweet Johnson. Shakoya is spelled SHAQUOYA. And you can add me on Twitter also, KoyaJ10, COYAJAE10. And I will be having a singing episode coming up. That will be exclusive. I'm not for sure when I'm going to do that yet. Yeah. I know that it's kind of like weird for me to like shake my ass on camera, but you know what? It's better than lying on rappers. So, just enjoy my videos. And like I said, comment, view. That's all you have to do. Thank you guys.